Let's talk about XXL Sphere Ice Mold, set of 3 silicone ice ball makers, makes 6.35 cm 2.5 inch ice cube balls, great for whiskey and scotch. Lifetime warranty. If you are not satisfied, then you can always return it right away. Keep your drinks cool without making them watery, great for parties and entertaining. Lasts a lot longer than regular ice cubes. That means you can enjoy colder, stronger drinks. Simple yet genius, perfect ice ball making kit. The quickest and easiest way to make some great ice balls. These set of 3 ice ball trays are built to last, and the product is made from durable formed and solid design silicone construction with leak-free caps. Makes perfect round balls of ice. Spill-proof and makes top-looking ice balls easy to refill, easy removal, easy cleaning and dishwasher safe. Easy to make, doesn't take much space in the freezer. So much fun to pop out and have in your drink. Perfect for scotch, whiskey, bourbon, and cocktails, or even to make your own flavored ice ball. Package includes Kompanion guide, and 3 molds that make 1 large ice ball each. Simple and easy to use. Produces perfect ice spheres, which are a great alternative for drinks. Prefer to have just one of these in my glass instead of a handful of ice cubes. Cools your drink just as well with less dilution of the spirits. I have also popped in mint leaves and fruit in the mold before filling for using in cocktails. Making you look like a boss for no effort. Easy. What's more to say? Fill the mold with water, throw in the freezer, enjoy icy balls in your drink a few hours later. Pretty sure you could use these as killer ammo for a small cannon or slingshot. Once melted, no evidence of a crime. I am sure you could make ice pops for the kids with these, with barbecue skewers popped through the little vent hole once filled with juice of. Yeah, these are pretty good. I got them because I started drinking gin and normal ice would just melt quickly. These last far longer. The sphere can generally last about 12 hours if your drinks are chilled too. Trick is to actually boil your water first in the kettle before filling. Also make sure to fill 12 mm below the line to get the perfect sphere, otherwise the expansion can push the top up or come out the hole. Note, because this is a larger piece of ice, I do recommend getting 4 all together and freezing the night before. I had mine in for 6 hours and the center was still liquid. Though that could be because of the boiled water, still lasted a fair bit. Currently experimenting with these by putting the fruit straight into the mold. Does exactly as you'd expect. My order came with 2 molds. They feel robust and of decent quality, and that they should last. I've used them to make a number of ice balls already, and each one has come out pretty damn close to a perfect sphere, as good as you'd expect. They are easy to use. Simply fill up to the indicated line with water in the bottom half of the mold, then as you insert the top half it displaces the water and fills to a sphere, and excess water will come out the little hole at the top. The ice balls you get are fun and novel, and they do take absolutely ages to melt, so I'm sure they'd be great for cooling all manner of drinks. I've been using them for scotch.